Achieve your basketball goals with upper body strength. Welcome to today's video, where we'll unlock the secret to taking your basketball performance to the next level: upper body strength. Whether you're shooting from long range, battling for rebounds, or sticking to your opponent on defense, your upper body plays a vital role in outworking, outlasting, and outplaying the competition. This isn't just about looking stronger, it's about becoming an all-around better player. The workout we're sharing today is designed specifically for basketball players, focusing on functional strength, balance, and endurance to ensure you dominate every aspect of the game. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to train smarter, play stronger, and leave your mark on the court. Let's start by addressing the importance of upper body strength in basketball. Whether you realize it or not, every move on the court involves your upper body in some way. When you're shooting, your chest, shoulders, and arms generate power and precision. Rebounding and defending require balance and strength in your torso and back to hold your ground. Think of your upper body as your foundation. Without a strong foundation, your performance will always have gaps. But with the right training, you'll build explosive power, improve endurance, maintain control, and play with greater confidence. So, are you ready to transform your game? Let's dive into today's workout. This series of exercises is structured to build strength, balance, and endurance, tailored for basketball athletes just like you. We're starting with a fundamental movement, the bench press. This exercise is a powerhouse for your chest, shoulders, and triceps, key muscle groups for generating force in your shot and battling for position in the paint. Here's the secret to making the bench press basketball specific. Focus on controlled eccentric, lowering movements, and explosive concentric pressing movements. The slow lowering builds muscle stability, while the quick upward press mimics the explosive power needed during shots and passes. How to do it? Perform 4 sets of 5-8 reps. To get the most out of this exercise, choose a challenging weight that pushes you without sacrificing proper form. Remember, control is everything. Don't rush the motion. This exercise will not only make your chest and arms stronger, but also boost your overall upper body stability, helping you stay firm under pressure. Your ball handling, passing, and defensive reflexes all start with one critical part of your body: your arms. For this, we're focusing on dumbbell curls to build the biceps and improve your arm stamina. That means better dribbles, faster steals, and stronger ball control throughout the game. You have 2 options with this exercise. If you're looking to bulk up and add power to your arms, go for 3 sets of 8-12 heavy reps. Prefer endurance to stay sharp late into the game? Opt for 2 sets of 10-15 lighter reps. How to do it? Grab a pair of dumbbells and perform curls with strict form. Avoid swinging the weights and focus on slow, controlled motion to engage the biceps fully. This simple but effective exercise strengthens the muscles you rely on every time you touch the ball, helping you maintain control under pressure. Next up is the shoulder press, an essential exercise for improving your rebounding strength and enhancing your defensive presence. Your shoulders are involved in nearly every aspect of the game, from boxing out to locking down opponents. A strong set of shoulders can make all the difference. How to do it? Perform 4 sets of 10 reps. If using dumbbells, be seated at a 110-degree angle. If you're using a barbell, sit on the ground at a 110-degree angle. Keep your back straight and core tight. Press the weights overhead and carefully bring them back down to shoulder height. Focus on keeping your core tight and your back straight for maximum engagement. With consistent effort, the shoulder press will give you the edge you need in those tough rebounding battles and make your defensive game unshakable. Basketball is a game of quick changes in direction, balance, and body control. To handle this, you need a strong and stable core. That's where oblique leans come into play. This exercise targets the sides of your abdomen, helping you maintain balance during sharp cuts, spins, and drives to the basket. How to do it? Perform 3 sets of 12 reps on each side. Hold a dumbbell in one hand, bend at the waist toward the weight, and return to a neutral position. Keep the movement slow and controlled. This isn't a race. By adding oblique leans to your routine, you'll develop the core strength necessary to stay agile and balanced, even in high-pressure situations. Let's shift our focus to your back. a group of muscles that's often overlooked but incredibly important for basketball. Rows are key for building pulling strength, which helps with post moves, defensive positioning, and rebounding. A strong back also prevents injuries and increases your overall body control. How to do it? Perform 3 sets of 12 reps using a barbell or dumbbells. Hinge slightly forward at the hips, keep your core tight, and pull the weight toward your torso. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top of the motion for maximal engagement. By incorporating rows into your workout, you'll gain the upper hand in tight defensive battles and be more resilient during physical play. Finally, we're finishing off with resistance band pulls, a versatile, low-impact exercise that builds balance and control. This movement strengthens your muscles without overloading your joints, making it ideal for improving endurance throughout a long game or season. How to do it? Perform 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Attach a resistance band to a secure anchor at eye level. Hold the ends with both hands and pull the band toward your chin while keeping your elbows out and shoulders down to engage your deltoids. As you master this exercise, you'll notice improved balance, smoother footwork, and finer control during games. Movements will feel easier and more fluid. So how do you integrate these exercises into your basketball training routine? Start by adding these workouts to 2-3 strength sessions per week, alongside the rest of your workout and regular practice. Focus on proper form, rest between sets, and recovery between workouts to maximize your progress. Keep in mind, strength building takes time, but consistency is the key to success. The more regularly you apply these exercises to your training, the bigger the impact you'll see on the court. From enhanced rebounding to extended endurance, the improvements will speak for themselves. Now that you've got the blueprint for upper body strength, it's time to put these principles into action. Remember, every rep you complete, every ounce of effort you give, and every drop of sweat you shed is another step toward becoming the best version of yourself as a player. You're not training just for today. You're building the foundation for a better game tomorrow. Keep showing up for yourself. Stay consistent. Believe in the process, and trust that hard work will carry you to new heights. Take this workout, make it part of your routine, and let it transform the way you play. Let's work together to achieve your basketball goals. Train harder, play smarter, and keep your trust in where God takes you.